This is your tower.
And this is your pool. This is your One St. Petersburg construction update.
Here we are in one of our common corridors. As you can see, we've got final paint on the walls, the final carpet, and we've got flooring protection as we continue the finishing touches on your residences. Here's one of our units on the lower level of the tower. This unit has undergone final punch, and we're in the final stages of cleaning to get it ready for delivery to you. Let's continue by showing the progress in some additional floor plans. Here we are, walking through a unit that's undergoing the punch process now. We continue with the exterior of our fitness center, and as we pan over, you can see the progression of our landscaping installation and our pool and spa. Thanks for tuning in to this construction update. We look forward to welcoming you home at One St. Petersburg in the near future.